Hello, this is Colin Reed again, and this time I'm going to be showing my 2-bit ALU from experiment 3 of PostLab 07. And this one's just kind of a further expansion of the 1-bit ALU, kind of as the name sounds. In the instructions we were told to make key 3, it's going to be A1, key 2 is going to be A0, key 1 is going to be B1, and key 0 is going to be B0. So these key 3 and 1 are going to correlate together, and then key 2 and 0 are going to correlate together. So similarly to the 1-bit ALU, these are the switches. So switch 1, or I should say switch 9 is going to be S1, and switch 8 is going to be S0. So when it's set to the 0, 0 position, this is going to be the AND function. So if I was to do, let's say A1, we'll set A1 to 1, nothing should happen. B1 set to, set to 1, nothing happens. Same thing with the other function. However, when key 3 and 1 are pressed, A1 and B1 are pressed together, it should light up, which it does. The same thing with the other function. When A0 and B0 are clicked, it should light up, which it does. And that's the only time it'll work. Nothing happens when you press the 2 the same. And then when I turn it, switch or S0 to 1, turns it to the OR function. So no matter what button I'm pressing, it's gonna light up. I can press key 1, key 2, A1, B1, A0, B0, and they all light up. And then if I press them both, it should stay lit up. Perfect, which it does. Well, I guess it should be that and that. Okay. When switch number 1 or S1 is lit to 1, it's going to be the XOR function. Only lights up when one of the two is pressed, which it does. And when I press both, it does not light up. And same thing with the Y0. Oh yeah, this is Y. I didn't say it earlier, but that's Y1, Y0, and that's the first C out. I called it C1 out, and this is C0 out. Sorry, I forgot to mention that earlier. Back to the XOR. So when I press both of them, it does not light up. Perfect. And same thing with A0 and B0. Does not light up. Lights up for a split second. That's just because my hands are pressing them slightly slower. And finally, it turns it to the full adder. And this one, once again, same thing as the last one. Say if I press 1, it lights up. Perfect. Same thing with the other side. For the C-ins on, they will both light up. Perfect. And then if I turn C-in 1 on and I press them both down, it should stay lit up. Yep, perfect. And the C-out lights up as well. And same thing with the other function. And when all values are set to 1, including the C-outs, everything should be lit up. Perfect. It's a little bit weird, but everything works as it should be. And yeah, that'll be all. Thank you very much.